computer. Okay, so this I'll send to everyone out there. Zap is a good Zap. We'll just send this out. A lot of people just want this slide here.
Yeah, that's fine.
So there are three steps to a million that you need to worry about. That's a million rand. Only three steps. So when you look at this, please don't get confused with a lot of numbers. I'm going to break this down. I want you to close your eyes to picture yourself as a person who's opening up a hotel, like a hotel, rooms. You want to let out rooms, like a B&B type of thing. So on your level, your first level, you can only rent out 2 rooms. Those are your 2 people, right? How much it costs you? It costs you 50 rand. So first step is 50 rand. So some of you on this call says, hey, Shane, I can do the first step. Good for you. You got your 50 rand. That's in. What's your second step? To show this to 2 dynamic people who want to help you basically bring in more customers to fill your bed and breakfast or your Airbnb. So this is 2 people. This is your second step. Can you see that? So you brought in your 2 people. How much are you going to pay? How much are they going to pay you? 0.04 times 2 people. That gives you 0008. So let's look at today's value. What is it currently? Okay. So I'm just going to go to a converter, ordinary converter, put in that amount, gives you 83 Rand, 83 Rand 74. Let's put 83 Rand here. Let's just make it 84 bucks. Okay. We could make it 81 Rand, but let's just make it 80 bucks there. Done. Now, this floor is full. It only can take 2 people. It's full. What you need to do, you need to move up to the second floor. In order to do that, you need to call your landlord, hey, I need to upgrade because this floor is already full. I already got 2 people to reach its capacity. So the landlord said it will cost you 00063. So how much is that in rands? 66 bucks. So you pay your landlord, you're going home with some change now, right? 0002. So after you paid for your upgrade, you left with 21 Rand. Let's just make it 20 bucks. Now your business is successful because, I mean, come on, you started at 50 Rand, you upgraded already, you already got a new level here or a new floor, and you're still going home with 20 Rand profit. Good business idea, guys? Yeah, I would think so. So now you are on the second floor. You're now called an influencer. You're no more beginner now. Why? You successfully did what you needed to do. Now, what happens is in this floor, they can take 4 people. Now, where did these 4 people come from? Remember I told you 2 dynamic people? You help these 2 to do the exact same thing. That's where these 4 people came from. Or they could have come from people above, which is called spillover, which will be covered in training. So you got 4 here. Now here, because you moved up to influencer, second floor, they're giving you a little more rent. Why? Because the views are a little bit better. So now it's 006, no more 004. So 0006, times 4 gives you 0024. Okay, so let's look at this in real time. How much is this? 251. Now you can see your rental income has increased. But you need, this floor is packed up. You need to upgrade again, right? How much? 00126. 00126. This gives you 132 bucks. So now you made 251. It's costing you 132. What are you going home with? 102. Let's do the 6 here. You're going home with 125. So from your 50 Rand that you came in, you made 125. Now, step 1 is 50 Rand. Step 2 is 2 friends. And this is your step 3. The third step is to upgrade. So when you became influencer, you no more do step 1. You don't need 50 Rand. You're already in. You don't need 2 people. You're already in. So these 2 steps fall away once you're influencer. All you got to do now is to just click upgrade. Why? Because these guys are doing the same thing what you just did. Am I making sense? Your level 3 can take 8 people. Now you achiever. Big deal. 8 people in your business, where they came from, maybe from this 4, maybe from this 2, maybe from people above. How they came in is none of your business. You're going to find them coming in. Now you're earning more on the third floor. Views are better. 0012 times 8. You can charge more to those 8 people because you get better views. So 0012 times 8 is 0096. I'm just going to do this last one and then I'm going to show you this in real time. So that's 1,000 Rand. You're happy with that? Okay, the higher you go down here, the more rewards you get. What's your upgrade is going to be? 00252. Let's do that. 00252. $263. You're making 1,000. It's going to cost you around 263. You're going home on 072. Put a 7 here and delete this 2 here. 754. Right. So for those people, you can see there's a flow. There's an algorithm. The reason why there's an algorithm and your brain is seeing this pattern is because this is the blockchain. It does not do things that it's not meant to do. It works with factual figures like 00044, which the 50 Rand can change in price. It can go to 100 Rand, it can drop down to 20 Rand, but 00044 is what you always pay because the blockchain is only recognizing that figure and it knows how to disperse it and how to pay you. Anytime people upgrade within your team, and if they're on your level, you will get paid. Now, what happens is we go to the 7th floor, views are better. This is called champion. Now, when you have 128 champions, not beginners, not influencers, the whole 128 people are on this rank. That means you help them do the exact same thing, and they're all champions, which Zach is doing the training tomorrow, times 192 gives you 25,576. This is the power of duplication, 24,576. 257,000 Rand. I'll put 257K. How much did it cost you? 03916. 03916. That's 4,100 Rand. Let's call it 4K. 4,000 to upgrade. You're going home with 24,192. 24.192. You're going home with 253,000, obviously minus 4. So some of you say, yeah, but Shane, you said 1 million. Where's the million? There's the million here. You follow the same step because you're already here, right? You're going to make 97536. 97536. There you go. 1 million. Actually, it's more, but we're just saying 1 million. Now, why we don't want you to just show it to somebody who doesn't bring 2 is because they will never ever end up as director. They'll stay as beginners because they won't upgrade. There's only 2 reasons why this business won't work. If you bring in somebody that does not bring in 2 people, or they do not upgrade. Those are the only 2 reasons. That is why we want to train you how to do that. If you can't do it, but you're hungry and eager to do it, we will teach you. But if your mind is saying you can't do it, then this is not for you. Take the $50, get yourself a nice meal, or something of that sort. So this is basically how it works. You will do step 1, which is come on board with 50 Rand, and you show it to 2 friends who have 50 Rand each and who are hungry. The third step is for you to upgrade. Once you upgrade the first time, you would continuously upgrade with existing commissions that's coming in daily or hourly or by the minute in how we earn. Making sense? Good. Now I shall stop this recording and yeah, I want to show you something else, right?